What secret lies behind the golden slabs that melt on hot bread, sizzle in pans, and shape the taste of countless recipes? How do millions of blocks of butter actually come to life from something as simple as fresh milk? It all begins in the early hours, when tankers carrying chilled cream, collected from hundreds of dairy farms, roll into massive production facilities where stainless steel pipes snake through like veins of a living giant. The cream is pumped into towering silos where it quietly rests, its temperature carefully lowered because cold keeps the delicate fat stable. And from here, the silent transformation begins as giant separators spin at lightning speed, forcing the heavier cream away from the lighter skim, a split-second decision that decides what becomes butter and what becomes milk. And once the cream is chosen, it is pasteurized in blistering heat for just moments, killing off unseen bacteria while still holding on to that rich dairy aroma, then cooled down as if nothing ever happened, sliding into enormous churners, where the real magic unfolds. The cream tumbles, collides, and breaks apart until tiny fat globules suddenly start clinging together, yellow flecks growing into soft clumps, and within minutes the liquid buttermilk drains away, leaving behind a thick mass that looks nothing like what first entered. Workers check its texture with bare hands, pressing, folding, and smelling the warm, moist butter to ensure it has the right density. Then industrial mixers knead it like dough, smoothing every corner while adding just a pinch of salt for flavor and longer shelf life, before it is pressed into molds that shape it into precise, uniform blocks, sliding along conveyor belts where automated blades slice massive sheets into perfect rectangles, each one wrapped in foil or parchment that glimmers under bright factory lights, stamped with dates, batch codes, and logos, and then packed into cartons so fast it almost feels unreal. But behind this speed there is a quiet tradition, centuries of farmers churning cream by hand echoed in these modern machines, because no matter how advanced the process gets, it still comes down to that ancient collision of cream, time, and movement. And that is how the butter you casually spread on toast has taken a journey through machines, hands, and hidden chambers, becoming part of a system that produces millions of identical blocks every single day. Yet each block carries within it a secret story of transformation, a story no other video has truly told in this way, making you see butter not as something ordinary, but as a silent monument to the art of turning cream into gold.